Hello friends, this is Pyramid Classes and I am your math instructor Mamta Mohan. Today we are going to discuss the last topic of nature of our roots of a quadratic equation of class 10 CBSE maths. Okay, as we know that चलिए nature दिखते हैं how. Let's see what are the nature of the roots. Roots means the zeros or the solution of quadratic equation, or we can also say the value of unknown. What was the nature of the value of unknown? That nature by nature means it is a value, it is a number. So which kind of its number? It is a equal number, whether it is a real number or whether it is not a real number. Okay, let's see. A standard form of quadratic equation, as we know far, is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is non-zero quantity and a, b, c are the real numbers. Okay, on dividing each term by a, first of all we have to convert this into a perfect square, as we taught in the last video. You can check it out. We will convert into a perfect square. For perfect square we should always have the coefficient of x square is 1, but it is here it is a. So what we will going to do, which we will divide each term by a by a by a. Okay, so a by a will be cancel out. We will get x square, b by ax, c plus c by a is equals to 0. By complete square technique, as we know that this is x square plus 2ab, as we going to compare it with a dash plus b dash whole square is equals to a dash square plus 2 a dash b dash plus b dash square. Okay, so what is here? A dash square is x square. That means a is equals to a dash is equals to x, and what is here? B dash is equals to 2 a dash b dash is equals to b by ax, or a dash is already x. So what will be? 2 b dash will be b by a. So b dash will be 2 b by 2a. So we will convert it a dash plus b dash whole square. So x plus b by 2a whole square plus c by a as it is, and what was the extra term? B dash square. So we will here it will going to add, so we will going to subtract it. Minus b square by 4a square is equals to 0. On taking LCM, we will get the LCM 4a square, and it will going 4ac minus b square is equals to 0. On shifting here, the negative sign will become positive and positive become negative. What is negative here? B square, correct. So it becomes b square positive, and what is positive? 4ac, then it will become minus 4ac by a square. On taking the square root on both sides, we get plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 4a square. What will be going to write? And taking on under root 4a square, we will get only 2a. Okay, so we will going to write x is equals to minus b. On shifting it from left to right, we will get positive b by 2a converted into minus b by 2a plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. On taking the LCM, x is equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and on taking the first one sign positive and one negative sign, we will get the two roots of the given equation, or the two values of the x in the given equation. And what is this part? Under root of b square minus 4ac, this part is called discriminant. It will decide the nature of the roots. Okay, this part b square minus 4ac is called a discriminant, and which will be going to decide the nature of how is the value of x, whether it is a real number, equal numbers, or something else. Let us see. So the quadratic equation ax square plus bx equals to c has two distinct roots. If the discriminant is greater than 0, what is this? This is discriminant. Discriminant. If the value of the discriminant is positive, then the roots are distinct and real number, means the value of the x will be real and two different value we will get. If it is equals to 0, b square minus 4ac, means you get two equal and real root, and if it is negative, then we will get no real roots, we will get imaginary roots. Okay, the quantity b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of this quadratic equation. And also note that with this formula, x is equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a can be also used to calculate the value or the roots or the zeros of the given quadratic equation directly. Okay, come on, let us solve a problem. We have given find the root of the quadratic equation 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equals to 11 by 30. On taking the LCM, x plus 4 x minus 7, it will going to shift x minus 7 minus x, it will become minus x, and plus minus is minus 4 is equals to 11 by 30. X and x cancel out, minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11, x plus 4, x minus 7, 11 by 30. On cross multiplying, it will going to up multiply, it will going to this side. 33 minus 11 into 30, 11 into x plus 4, x minus 7. So minus 11, 11 cancel out. Now here both side contain 11, so it will be cancel out. It will become minus 30 is equals to x plus 4 and x minus 7. Let's see, minus 30, on opening the bracket we get x square minus 7x plus 4x is equals to minus let's see, we will going to open this bracket. X into x is x square, x into minus 7 is minus 7x, 4 into x is plus 4x, 7 4s are 28, minus 28. So what we get, so x square minus 7x plus 4x is minus 3x minus 28, and it will going to shift and become positive 30 is equals to 0. Minus 28 plus 30 will be 2. So what is the quadratic equation? This is the standard form of quadratic equation. X square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we can solve it. We as I told you, we can directly solve it by using the formula x is equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so we will going to apply. What is b here? The b is the coefficient of x, that is minus 3. A is coefficient of x square, that is a 1, and c is the constant term, that is 2. So on substituting the value b की जगह हमने on putting b is equals to minus 3 square, a is equals to 1 and c is equals to 2, and again a is equals to 1. Minus 3 is plus 3 plus minus under root of 3 3 is a 9, 4 2 is a 8, that is 1. 3 plus minus 1 by 2, and taking one sign at a time, 3 plus 1 by 2, and another time 3 minus 1 by 2. So we get 4 by 2 and 2 by 2, that is 2 and 1. Hence x is equals to 1 and 2 are the root of the given equation. Okay. Taking another example, basically the nature of the quadratic equation is used to find the unknown in the given quadratic equation. So let us see what is the unknown here. Here the unknown is visible as x, which cannot be minus 1. We have to calculate the value of this x, and it is given in the question the equation has real and equal root. What was the condition for real and equal root? The discriminant must be 0, as we taught earlier. What was the a here? The value of a is k plus 1, b is minus 6k plus 1, and c is 3 times of k plus 9 as compared to the standard form of quadratic equation. आपका standard form से आपने compare किया ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, so equal and real root के लिए आपका discriminant must be 0 होना चाहिए, that is b square minus 4ac must be 0. On taking the value b is equals to minus 6k plus 1 whole square minus 4k plus 1 into 3 times of k plus 9 is equals to 0. 3 3s are 36, k plus 1 whole square minus 3 4s are 12, k plus 1, k plus 9 is equals to 0. K plus 1 whole square is k square plus 2k plus 1, and k into k is k square, 9k, k plus 1 into 9 is 9 is equals to 0. That is 36k square, 36 into 2 is 72k plus 36 minus 12x square minus 108 plus minus 12k minus 108 is equals to 0. On simplifying, 36 minus 12 is equals to 24k square, 72 minus 108 minus 12 is 48, and 36 minus 108 is minus 72 is equals to 0, which is the standard form. Each of them is a multiple of 24. On dividing each term by 24, each term, okay, what we will get? On dividing each term by 24, 24 divided by 24 is 1, 48 divided by 24 is 2, and 72 divided by 24 is 3. And it is a standard form. We can factorize, we can solve it by either by factorization method, perfect square method, or by direct formula. Okay, now we will factorize. How we will factorization method work? Multiplying the constant with the coefficient of variable, that is 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 1, and we have to break, so we can get an answer minus 2. So we take it minus 3 plus 1, we get minus 2. We will put here minus 3k plus 3k. On taking out k from here, we get k minus 3, and 1 from here, 1, k minus 3 equals to 0, k minus 3, k plus 1 is equals to 0. Both our product are equal to 0, then we have to equate both of them separately. So on equating k minus 3 is equals to 0, and we are shifting this 3 to this side, it will get 3, and this 1 to this side, we will get minus 1, but k cannot be minus 1 according to the question, therefore k must be equals to 3. On substituting the value of the k in the given equation, what we will get? 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 9. On substituting, we get the equation of this form. So on simplifying, 3 plus 1 is 4x square, 3 plus 1 is 4, 6 are 24, 3 plus 9 is 12 into 3 is 36, so we get the equation 4x square minus 24x plus 36 is equals to 0. Each term is a multiple of 4. On dividing each term by 4, we will get x square minus 6x plus 9 is equals to x square minus 6x plus 9 is equals to 0. On factorization method, how we can break this 9 into 1? 9 is 3 into 3, that is 3 plus 3 is 6. So minus 3x, because we have to take minus sign equals to 9. On taking out x from this, we get x minus 3, and on taking out 3 from this, we get x minus 3 equals to 0. X minus 3 is equals to 0. X is equals to 3, and 3 is the root of the given quadratic equation. Okay, now we will see that another problem in the following. Determine the set of the value of k for which the quadratic equation has real root. Here given only the real root, not positive or distinct, or maybe it is not given that it is equal root. So we will take discriminant must be greater than equal to 0. X square minus kx plus 9. What is the value of a here? That is 1, b minus k, and c 9. On comparing the standard equation, so b square minus 4ac will be k minus k square minus 4 into 1 minus 9. That is k square minus 36 is greater than equal to 9. That is k as we know that x square minus a square is greater than equal to 0. That means x must be less than equals to minus a and greater than equals to a. So according to this, it can be written as or k square minus 6 square is greater than equal to 0. So k must be less than equals to minus 1 or greater than equals to k is less than equals to minus 6 and k is greater than equal to 6. Okay. Let's see, the difference of the square of two positive integer is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the number. Let the larger number be x. The smaller number is 8 times of the larger number. So the second number will be 8x. According to the question, the difference of a square of two positive integer is 180. So larger number square minus smaller number is 180. So x square minus 8x is equals to 180. On shifting, it will become minus 180. X square minus 8x minus 180 is equals to 0. Here a is 1, b is minus 8, and c is minus 180. Roots of quadratic equation according to the formula x is equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. On substituting the value on their places, we on simplification we get minus plus 8. 8 square is 64. 4 into 180 is minus plus 720. That will be 720 plus 64 is 784. That is the root of 28. So 8 plus 28 by 2, one will be the root and another will be 8 minus 28 by 2. That will be 36 by 2 or minus 20 by 2, that is 18 and minus 10. Hence the larger number is 18 because it is given in the question the numbers are positive. So we cannot take this value, not positive. नहीं है इसलिए we will not take this value. Minus 10 will be ignore and take x is equals to 18. So the smaller number 8x will be 8 into 18, that will be 144. Thank you. If you like my video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for the further chapter. Okay. Thank you.